Hey guys, here we have the seated cable row close grip edition. You want to make sure you sit on the bench with your knees slightly bent. Don't have them locked out. Use those steel hooks if you have them, and sit back with your core tight. Sit tall, chest up. Don't fold over with the weight. Yes, you want to expand your back when you're extending your arms, but you don't want to fold over because it's so heavy. As you pull your elbows back, bring your hands into your stomach, not your chest. This will make sure that you're using your back muscles appropriately and less of your biceps. As you keep your elbows close together to your sides, you're going to hit your lats more and less of your traps as well. Control the return, don't jerk, don't rock. And again, use those steel hooks if you get some grip fatigue and you need more back isolation. As you bring the weight in, keep the core tight and the chest tall. If you want to build a wide, strong, stable back, this is a good lift that you're going to want to incorporate into your routine. It corrects posture from hours of sitting or staring at a screen. So if you sit at a desk a lot of the day, this is a good exercise to incorporate. And it also boosts pulling strength for your deadlifts. So your deadlifts will improve, also your rows, and then anything in real life, really. So